Okay. Hello. What's the time now? The time is about, I think, after 10. So, good morning, my people. Atinsa's mom has come. Today, Atinsa's mom is going to cook. And it's just to praise mothers all over the world, because I'm going to just talk a little bit about the basic things mothers do. It's about food. That make sure that everybody eats at home, everybody eats and satisfy at home. That is the basic thing. And we as an Africa people, you know how our food take long, you know how long we take to cook food. So why I am doing this video is about is just to encourage mothers. I know this place, they have a lot of fast food on this place, that in Britain, that everybody goes for chicken and cheese. Those chicken and cheese, I think people should eat it, but at the end of the day, I'm encouraging mothers, especially African mothers, that really, we the African mothers that we grow up in Africa. Yeah, because when we grow up in Africa, and also as we cook, we need to be teaching our children, so that they will not just follow the steps of going outside to order food. You can order food, but let it be once in a while, because those fried things that they are frying outside is not healthy. Those food are not healthy food. We the Africa, we cook. Our food doesn't take 10 minutes. It take hours. We can cook for the whole day. This is my chicken that I just finished washing. Although I finished washing the chicken is a lot anyway. I'm not going to use all of them today. I'm just going to boil it and put it in the oven, and just what do you call it? How to, I don't know what, I can't remember. It has go out of my head. Just put it in your oven and dry it top. This is the oil I'm talking about. The oil have to go out, because when you put it in the oven, the oven will drill out all the oil. This is why I say fast food is not healthy for no one, not even no one. So that is why this morning, this is my basic topic that I'm going to talk about, how to encourage mothers to cook, to always cook at home. Me, even though I'm not fit, even though I'm not feeling well, I would still like to eat that my Africa food and give my children my Africa food. I cook a lot. I'm somebody that like cooking. So my brothers and sisters, I'm just giving it to you now. I'm just trying to tell you what I've put so far. I put this one so far. This is seasonings, Maggi seasonings. That's what I put so far. This is chicken. You can see all the chicken. I put onions already. I'm going to add none to it and the other Maggi to it. Then I will mix them all around together. I'll come back for this video. And another thing I want to show you, when you go to market as well, my people, I'm going to show my face later when I'm about to cook. Today is about cooking black soup, Africa black soup. My people, don't worry. Mothers, my sweet mothers, I'm going to play that music maybe later or now. I'm not so sure, because my hand is so full now. I have a lot to wash. I'm still washing meat, because I have to wash it properly. If not, I've just put something. You should have seen the meat is almost white the way I'm washing it, because when I normally buy meat, they said fresh meat, but this one that I just saw yesterday, I said, okay, let me try them. I've tried them. It looked fresh. Maybe it's the light, but when I get home now, see what I'm getting. See a whole lot of a meat I'm going to throw away now. Whole lot of a meat I'm going to throw away. That is onions that I just peeled. This is what I'm going to throw away, because the meat is not fresh. It takes me time to wash it now. So my people, I'll get back to you later. I'm doing this recording. I'm going to put it on later. So let me show you again. Come and see. This is what look, I haven't washed this one. Did you see? It's not that fresh anyway, but when you see it on the camera, it looks so fresh. But I'm going to wash it properly. So I'll get back to you later. We're cooking black soup. Black soup contains bitter leaf and what do you call this thing, banga. Is going to be mixed together. So who will be there? You and me is going to cook it together. Though I'm doing recording, you're not going to be. I might be on live on my Facebook. I'm going to sign on to my Facebook, so I'm not sure yet because I'm alone at the moment. And I think that my hubby is sleeping and the guy is sleeping. So if they wake up later, because it's not yet time, we still have more time now, because I haven't finished washing what I'm washing. So I will show you what I'm going to cook it, the way I will put everything down. So sweet mother, enjoy yourself. I always say this, my video is always about enjoyment. This is the basic thing that mothers do at home. Even though mother will go to work, they are still tired, they will still do their own duty at home. This is the basic thing. Cooking and cleaning, making sure the house is not dirty, your sink is all clean. Look at my sink, it's all clean. Look at what I'm going to cook. I just put them on the table. Look, I'm still going to do a little bit of isho today, but I'm not going to show that one on live video because I'm not good in isho. Isho is for Igbo people. Igbo people is the one that is doing isho. This is my bitter leaf. I didn't really see a fresh one yesterday. This is the bitter leaf I'm going to use to cook this black soup. So my people, my friend, I have my wonderful friend that normally love my black soup back years ago. I've lost her contact. It's been 1 year now that I've cooked this food, so I'm coming back to it again to cook it today. So I want us just to cook it together. And I know a lot of people, a lot of African knows how to cook this. The young one may not remember how to cook it. So my people, we're gonna see ourselves later, okay? I love you so much. I'll show my face later. I just want to finish watching this meat, then we will dance. I'm gonna just dance. So bye my people, I'll talk to you later, and we will do this video to cook the black soup together. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's Great Benin Interest. Also follow me on Facebook. I normally post it through Facebook, and I might be on live today. It's Joy Osagede Facebook. So if you follow me on Facebook, and we will get it together and we will cook it together. Kick it off, baby. My people, I love you, my ladies, and I'll speak to you later. Bye for now, okay? Hello my people, this is Etunsa's mom. I'm just going to show you bitter leaf. I've washed it. You know, bitter leaf, even spinach is made to wash properly. If not, you're going to be chewing sand. You don't want to chew that anyway. So this is the bitter leaf now. I told you before, I say it's not that fresh. Let me throw this one, because this one doesn't look good. I don't like it the way it is anyway. So I'm going to blend this bitter leaf. It's been plucked out from this. It's been plucked out. Let me show you from this stick. This bitter leaf has been plucked out. You have to pluck it out. After plucking it out, you put them in the sink and you wash it. The way I wash it, I should have shown you, because my hand was full. I won't be able to hold the video and wash it at the same time. I just block the sink. I block the sink and pour water and make sure that it has enough water. This is how I wash it. I make sure that I wash it 3 times. Spinach, I wash it 3 times as well. I pour the whole water. I pour water on the sink. The sink will be full. Then I will just put the spinach inside and I wash it. This is bitter leaf. The same way I'm going to do it. I'm going to blend it after this one. This is the banga I'm telling you about. This is banga. It's from Africa. Although this one is banga. Delta people normally eat this one anyway. We were bended before. A state in Nigeria, which was called Bende, Midwest Bende before in Nigeria. Then later tear them apart to give them separate name, like becomes Delta and Edo. So this is the food that we eat anyway. So this is the banga I'm telling you is being made. It's like, look, it's banga. So this one is the bitter leaf that I'm going to blend later. I'll still get back to you. I'm just videoing it like bit by bit. So when I start, at the moment I'm boiling my meat. Let me show you my meat. I need to show you this. You see, my whole gas is full today. I'm just going to use this part to cook my ishewu. Although I'm not good in ishewu, I'm going to do it in my own way anyway, because the last time I cooked it, I saw a goat head yesterday and I like it. I said, okay, let me use this one for ishewu. It was one. I bought it £3, about £4 for the goat head. So look at my meat now. See, it's boiling. It's on the fire at the moment. So I'm going to turn it over until when this meat is cooked, then it goes to oven. Then I'll start putting it in the oven and just make sure that I finish everything and make sure that it's being dry properly and the oil will be drilled. So I'll get back to you. I'm not finished. I'm just showing you bit by bit, because when I'm going to start the bitter leaf food, the bitter leaf soup, that is when I will now show the video. Then we'll now talk about sweet mother. This is about sweet mother, what mother do. Okay, yesterday I wasn't too feeling good. I don't know, I missed some food. I eat what nuts. I went to Tesco, buy nuts and buy some of that thing. After that, I now eat plantain and the spinach soup. So it disturbed me a lot. I think because I mixed it with nuts and popcorn. Which other thing did I mix with it again? And carrot together. It was so delicious. It was sweet, my sister, my brothers and sisters. So I'm from Benin. I'm from Edo State. So my people, check me out later. Bye for now. So I need please, my people, subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll be giving you updates of cooking and dancing and enjoying yourself, celebrating mothers, celebrating us as a mother, because we do a lot, you know. I wasn't that feeling good yesterday, but I still come out this morning. I've come out and do what I'm meant to do for the family. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's great being interest. I'll see you soon where we want to start the proper food, spinach, bitter leaf soup. Bye bye, my people. And then we dance and we show ours, and I show my face. Okay, this is going to be blended. Bye for now. Hello, and it's me again. I started blending the bitter leaf now. I'm just going to show you once again the bitter leaf. I usually bitter leaf, if you don't want it to come out bitter, as for me, I like my one I want to feed the bitter leaf the bitterness a little bit for this black soup I'm gonna cook. So that is why it's me again. Let me introduce myself. It's Etiosa's mom. And why I normally don't boil the bitter leaf, because actually there was a day I forget to boil the bitter leaf, and I just going to show you. This is the bitter leaf, and this is my blender. A day that I was about to blend the bitter leaf, and I forget that I have not boiled it to wash it. So I said, this food is going to be bad today. So what I did is I cook it. When I cook it, it comes out the way what I was looking forward to eat. So but Benin bitter leaf from Edo State, there's no way you can blend it like that. If you blend it like that, you're not going to eat that food, because it's going to be bitter. You don't want to use all these ingredients and the everything that spices that you're going to put. You want to mix it and throw it away. It doesn't work that way. If you're somebody that still wants to boil it like this bitter leaf, you still want to boil your one, you are free to go ahead and boil it and wash it before you blend it. This is my old style is I don't want to blend it. I don't want, sorry, I don't want to boil it and wash it, because it's not that bitter. Because I don't think this one is from Edo State, this bitter leaf. I don't know where it's from, but although it's bitter, but it's not that really bitter, because my one bitter leaf from Edo State is really bitter. So that one you can wash and blend it. But as long as the one I'm buying from Peckham here, it's not that bitter. I've used it before, it's not bitter. I blend it that way. So my people, I'm going to leave you now. I'm just telling you, let me on the blender again. Let me on the blender. Let's see if it's going to be. What happened to the blender now? Can you imagine this blender? Anyway, I'm going to leave you now. I'm just going to see what's going on with the blender. I just use it. I was about to blend now. So anyway, I'll get back to you after everything, because I haven't started yet. I'm just showing you bit by bit what I'm doing. So before we come back to the sweet mother today, for mother to celebrate herself, the basic thing that mothers do. So I am still telling my people that wants to come across this video, please subscribe to my YouTube. What I normally forget to tell you, because I post my video through my Facebook, Jo Osagede. I normally post it through my Facebook. You can subscribe when you enter through Facebook. Just go ahead and type Great Benin Interest, because this is black soup for Benin people from the Great Benin. So that is why I am bringing it forward to my people. Okay, so I'll speak to you later. You cannot subscribe through YouTube, through Facebook. The only way, you have to go to YouTube directly, type it Great Benin Interest. When you have interest of something, Great Benin Interest, you have interest of something. This is my YouTube. So if you want to subscribe, you cannot subscribe when I post it on my Facebook, Jo Osagede. You won't be able to subscribe, because they're going to tell you open an account. Instead of you doing that, that's long journey. You just go straight ahead, go to Great Benin Interest and subscribe. Just go to YouTube direct. That's the only way you can subscribe. So my people, I'm going to leave you now so that I can blend this bitter leaf. Will come soon. When I put my pot on fire, that is when we will start the business. This is business of basic thing that mothers do when they are home, when anytime they have chance to be at home. Anyway, today is Sunday, the 7th of Sunday 2021. So my people, keep watching this video. I'm going to put it on my YouTube bit by bit, the way I'm doing it now. We'll cut this one off a bit by bit. If you follow it up, that is how you can get this bitter leaf soup, this bitter leaf black soup. This is my black soup that I'm going to cook. It's so special. If you test it, you're going to love it. You start cooking it. Love you, my people. Bye for now. Okay, good afternoon. I'm on my recording, and I'm on Facebook as well. Good afternoon. Happy Sunday to all mothers this afternoon. So my topic is about cooking black soup, Great Benin black soup. Let me invite people. I'm not going to be on this Facebook. I'm going to do my recording later. I have to put it on my YouTube. My YouTube channel is Great Benin Interest. That's my YouTube channel. So my people, we're going to cook black soup together. It's made of banga. It's made of bitter leaf as well. So my people, I'm sure this is Lydia. Let me see. I don't want to be looking now. Let me finish my begbe cook finish first. So my people, we're going to celebrate ourselves as a mother. As mother, if you're a mother, you have to give good kudos to yourself, because you are a great mother. A great mother always remember that their children have no eating. They are the one to cook, they are the one to clean the house, they are the one to do school run. A great mother is the one to stand there for the family. They are the powerhouse. That is great mother. So my people, we're going to cook bitter leaf soup today, which is black soup from Edo State. I'm promoting my Edo people. Edo is great. Our food, this food is for Edo State people. So that is why I'm cooking. That is why I'm showing my Edo State people. My Jamaican friends, yeah, you will only understand meat, and you don't know what we call bitter leaf. I don't know if you have it in your side. It's so bitter. It's bitter. It's like medicinal. So it's so delicious. But I don't know if you will know about it. My people, we're going to start cooking now. I'm going to carry this video along. So everything I'm going to show you. I've prepared everything. Hello, my love. Oh, my hubby, Frank Jolly. I love you, my hubby. You're always there for me. Okay, this is my fish. It's smoking catfish. This is crayfish. I put pepper inside already. My people, hold on a minute. Let me. Bitter leaf has been browned already. My hubby, what about where? Can you want to cook bitter leaf soup as well? Hubby, wonderful hubby. Can you just put more water and hold it for me again? So this is the bitter leaf. You didn't see that. I haven't put anything yet. I'm just going to start putting things now. So my people, please invite everyone, share this video, share. I'm not going to be on Facebook. I'm going to be on recording. I'm going to be, look. Sorry my people, I just turn it. So what I'm going to put, this is going there. Cast smoked fish is going as well. So look, sorry my people, you're not seeing my face now. I'm going to show you everything I'm going to put on there. There's banga ready because I'm going to put soupas. I'm going to put meat as well. So we'll go now. Let's go together. Let's kick it off together. So hold on a minute. I'm going to. Okay, let's go to sweet mother now. Share this video, my people. Huh? Yeah. Stop. Make you not cry again, no. Huh? Sleep, my pikin, no. Huh? Enjoy cooking. My mother go run up and down. She go find me something where I go jump. Sweet mother, sweet mother, oh, I love you. When I see Okay, follow me now. We're gonna start putting things now. So our food, my mommy is waiting to eat this food. Huh? It's been 1 year that I've cooked this food. Next, I'm gonna go up from Facebook at the moment. I'm gonna go up from Facebook now. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put it on my recording. Hold on a minute, sweet mother. I'll put it on record on my YouTube. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel is Great Benin Interest. So that's my YouTube channel. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Go to YouTube direct. Type Great Benin Interest. So that is what you do to be able to subscribe. If you go through Facebook, when I post this later, I'm going to put it. But you're not going to be able. You won't be able to subscribe. So to be giving you updates, to be reminding you. I know my Jamaican friends. Whenever I put it on my YouTube, they don't follow me on Facebook because I don't really use Facebook to do live. So the only thing they knows about my YouTube. So they subscribe to my YouTube already. What I normally do, whenever I'm online, whenever I upload any video on my YouTube, it will notify them. You give them notification. So that is the only way you can be seeing me whenever I upload any video. But at the moment, I'm not going for a live YouTube channel just to be on live. I haven't done it before, and maybe I may start and see if they're going to allow me to do it. Or because they said there's so you have to have maybe a member amount of people that is going to subscribe to your YouTube channel. That's the only way you'll be on YouTube. So my people, I'm going to go off from Facebook now. So you check me out later. Maybe by 7 o'clock, I will upload the video. If it's going to allow me to upload quickly, I will upload the video on it and you will see. Let me, at the moment, I'm going to go off from Facebook. By 7 o'clock, subscribe to my YouTube and you will see me on board so that you won't forget. So my people, I love you so much, and I would like you to join me later on my YouTube. My black soup is going to describe everything, how I cook my black soup. I've uploaded some of the video. I've done some of the video. It's on my phone. So when I'm ready, I'll put it on. So I love you people. I love you people. I love you, my people. So let's go back to sweet mother so I can say bye-bye to you. She not tired, sweet mother. I never forget the suffer where you suffer for me, yeah, yeah. Sweet mother, sweet mother, oh, I love you. Sweet mother, je n'oublierai jamais tout cet amour que tu as su me donner. Sweet mother, je n'oublierai jamais, maman, tout cet amour que tu as su me donner. Quand je pleure, sweet mother me prend dans ses bras et me dit mon bébé, oh pourquoi tu pleures, yo yo, stop, stop. Stop, stop, et ne pleure plus mon bébé. So, my people, I'm going to leave you now. Bye for now.
mange pas, Sweet Mother ne mange pas. Elle n'est jamais fatiguée, Sweet Mother. Je n'oublierai jamais tout ce que tu as pu faire pour moi, Sweet Mother. Sweet Mother, oh, je t'aime.
I love you, my people. I love you, my people. I love you, my people. I'm going to cut it off, or I will upload the video later when the food is almost ready. Dance with me, mothers.
Sweet Mother, Sweet Mother,
Okay. I'm adding salt to my food now. Salt. No. I'm gonna put no now. Put on the minute. I don't want this video to be too long for me.
Sweet Mother, je t'aime, Sweet Mother.
Okay, my people, the Sweet Mother is finished. I'm gonna cut it off now. Watch me later from my YouTube. Watch me later from my YouTube channel.
And which recommended
Okay, now I'm back. So because I don't really know how to operate all this phone, new generation, where are you? In short, my people, as you can see, some of the bangers go in now. I'm going to put the banger now. Look at the banger. It's going to go into the pot now. I'm going to put it in the pot. Okay, so it's going into the pot now. I'm going to pour the whole of the container in this pot. It's going in now. Okay, let me remind you of what I've put so far. First, when I blend the bitter leaf, I just pour it to the pot straight. Goes to the pot straight. So after that, I grind the pepper, then I put pepper included to it, then straight to the pot. Then now I like to boil out some of the meat, not really meat. I put shaki as well, but some of the shaki, the goat shaki that has not really cooked properly, I boil it and it's not really cooked properly. They are they are inside this pot already, but it's just, you can see at the moment. So I'm going to put the whole of the banga now, and I put crayfish, I put smoked prawns, and I grind the head of the smoked prawns. You know it's dry, so I just grind. I blend it. I blend it and pour it inside. Everything is inside. I'm just going to put the banga now, and after this, the banga I'm going to put this fish, smoky fish, is catfish. Then I'll put it. After that, I put my chicken. I put chicken and mix it all together and give it and taste it. So then it will be cooked anyway. So my people, I'm going to leave you because I'm just doing it short because I really need help, but I don't have that help because my girl is getting ready for school tomorrow, so I don't need to disturb her in her routine. Bye. Hello my people. Hello. Can you see it through these glasses, cover glasses? The food is almost done now. It's almost ready. I'm going to open it now and just take a look of the black soup. Take a look. How is it? Did you see how it's making koto? Here is my black soup. It's ready now. It's ready to eat now, my people. I said I'm going to show it to you if I finish black soup, if I finish it. It was made with pepper, made with crayfish, which is prawns, small prawns, ground one, dry one from Africa, and prawns, smoky prawns. And I've got chicken in here. I've got cat smoky fish in there, and I've got, which other thing they have got on it. So then a bitter leaf blend on it. After that, banga, I've showed you before. So if you want to watch my video, it's on YouTube. It's on Great Benin. My YouTube channel is a Great Benin Interest, because I'm so proud to brief from Benin, from Great Benin. So I'm proud of my place, and it's a place that you need to visit. And I hope my Baba Governor Obaseki, make the roads okay, not to be dusty, gutter, all this the gutter they have by the side of the road is clean. None of them is clean, because they say governor is working, but so far what we are seeing there, I'm not seeing anything like working. Somebody is trying. All they do is for them to ask for money from the diaspora. Allocation goes to Governor Obaseki every month. Allocation goes to him every month to make the state okay. I hope those imaginary children has gone out from Akpakpava Road and Ring Road. It becomes where they spread cloth, when after they finish washing cloth. All those Fulani people, I don't know who are they, homeless children as well, imaginary children. They don't have house. That is where they sleep. That is where they wash their clothes at the end of the day. So my people, my video is not about I'm just saying, because this video is going to go to my Jamaican friends as well. So I would like them to come and visit my place, but at the moment, the way the state of my Edo State, is, I can't, shame will not allow me to bring any friends there, because it's not good looking. air dusting everywhere. The road is no fixed. That is why there is dust everywhere. So if the road has been fixed, the gutter has been looking after properly, like a Rwanda gutter create a job. They create a job with Rwanda gutter. Governor Baseki can create a job with that gutter. Is it not gutter? It's gutter. They can every day they'll be cleaning it. They can check Rwanda. It's citizens that is clean. They are clean. They are the ones cleaning those gutter around the city. Benin City is supposed to be the beautiful. Is supposed to be a beautiful city like London. London is the city now. London is the city. Can't you see how skyscraper going up and down? Instead, what we see from our governor, what we see from our leader, what we see from people that have been allocating money to, instead they will use the money for themselves. They don't use it to. But if somebody, they don't use it to take care of the people, the state, the people that live inside inside the state. But what they know how to do is to pocket the money. After, they will start asking for money from a diaspora. My people, my black soup is ready. It's ready because when I go to Edo State, I'm not happy the state of Edo State. They said that we're going to, what do they call the power light they're going to give? It's going to be light everywhere. Up till now, nobody is still having light. Anyway, I'm not against a governor. Obaseki election has gone now, and it's gone. Goodbye to election. But we just hoping for somebody that will take after him, should be a good person that have the people in their mind, so that they can look after Edo State citizens. They will be suffering. They will be leave hand to mouth, mouth to hand anymore. If people have job, people are ready to work from Edo State. They are ready to work, but at the end of the day, there is no job. My people, you can see what I'm cooking. I'm going to turn it for you now. This is my black soup. Just look at my black soup. It's paining me because I know that my lovely people would like to come with me. My friends, my Jamaica friends, and my British friend will like to come with me. But at the end of the day, Chef will not allow me to take them there. What are they going to see? Risky, kidnapping, and the insecurity there. Ha 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 ha. We will not do that. So this is my black soup. Just imagine. Look at my black soup. It's ready now. Ready. So enjoy. When I'm going to cut padanyam in my mouth, I'm sure I will show you. So my people. Okay, my people. Here I am, ready to eat my food now. As you can see, black soup is ready. Look at my polenta. This is my polenta. I hope you can see very well. So join me. When I eat, you swallow. I put it in my mouth, you swallow. Okay? Father, bless this food in Jesus' name. Okay. Finally, you don't like me eating with my hand. My girl, I'm eating with my hands. Okay. Finally, swallow. It's so delicious. It's so delicious. Listen to me. When I put it in my mouth, you swallow and you drink water, okay? It's bon. My people, the food is ready. I'm enjoying my food. It's delicious. I put in my mouth, you swallow. Okay, let's go. You swallow for me, please. And drink water for me as well, okay? You cannot cry again, no. This food is so delicious, but it has a bitter. It's bitter, it's What's this one? Prawns, smoky one. This food is so delicious, medicinal. My friend, I know you're from Jamaica. You guys also eat with ants. I'm doing this for my people, for Great Benin. From Nigeria, we eat with our hands, so that's what I'm doing it for. I don't know. I love music. This one is for all mothers. My dog people, mothers, today is for you. Celebrate yourself. Let's go to Shaki. This is Shaki. Maybe I need a tissue. Sorry, my people, I just want to blow my nose. Too much pepper. Pepper made my nose running. Watch me. I swallow. Let's drink water. Let's go back to the Huh? My people, when we finish eating now, so after this music, we're gonna switch it off. I'm gonna say goodbye. I need to go and follow my issue and finish it. Okay. Bye, my people. I finished eating chicken wings. I'm gonna eat it now, okay? So I'll speak to you later, my people. This video, you can watch it live. I'm going to download it to my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel the channel is Great Benin Interest. If you go to YouTube direct, I'm going to post it on my Facebook, but don't go through my Facebook. You won't be able to subscribe. For you to be getting my updates, you have to go to my YouTube channel direct and subscribe. So whenever I upload any video, you can be able to watch and learn. Remember some of those things that you have not remembered. Because if you don't cook a particular food every time, you will remember anyway. So you just watch me, follow me up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will speak to you later soon. You see this video and give me thumbs up. I hope you like it. I love my people, my great Benin people. I love them. That is why my YouTube channel named Great Benin Interest. I have interest of Benin people. So I love you, my people. Not only Benin people, the whole world. I love everyone. I love the whole world, everybody. As long as they are children of God. I love everybody's children of God anyway. But I'll speak to you later, my people. Bye for now. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.